Hello, are you ready to play scientist? Let's observe this picture together. It is a satellite photo from the NASA taken in 2016 where you can see the ice field. Oh, look at its red line. What does it represent? The red line shows how the ice field looked like in 1976, and as you can see, it was far bigger. Do you have any idea of what happened? Well, the temperature of the sun is responsible for that. Through the years, the temperatures of the sun have risen up, causing the ice sheet to melt faster and faster. This is called global warming. Global warming has made the ice field reduce from 26 million square meters in 1979 to 15 million in 2016. Scientists say that if temperatures keep rising, there will be no more ice field in 40 years' time. But what are the consequences of ice melting? Let's observe it together with an experiment. Take a plastic box, a piece of bricks, some water, ice cubes, and a figurine. Put the brick in the box and pour water without covering the brick. Put the figurine on the brick. Drop one big ice cube or 20 little ones. With a pen, draw a line on the box to mark the level of the water. A few hours later, when the ice cubes have melted, what do you notice? Indeed, the level of the water has risen up, covering the bricks. It means that when the ice field melts, the ice becomes water pouring into the sea, causing its level to rise and to cover the land. Now imagine that our figurine was someone real and his house was built on the piece of brick. What will happen to him and his family? You are right. It is not possible to live on the land covered by water, which means that people who used to live here have to be displaced. We call them climate refugees, and there will be millions of them in the century. There is a second direct consequence of ice melting. Today, we know that the temperatures in the ocean are rising at the same time as the temperatures in the atmosphere, and this is due to the melting of the ice. But how can we explain that? While melting, the ice field leaves a darker space in the ocean. Plus, the sun warms dark objects faster than light ones. As a consequence, the ice field doesn't protect the ocean anymore and let the sun warm the water. Well, the good news is that nothing is lost and all together we can act to protect the ice field and prove scientists wrong about their predictions. Are you ready to take action? In the meantime, see you for another lesson. Bye!